Hi everyone! Welcome to Garden Time with Miss Rebecca. Today's topic is how to do nature weaving. Yesterday, we learned how to make plastic flowers. Today, we are going to go outside and collect nature findings for our next activity. We are going to learn how to nature weave today. For this activity, you will need cardboard, string or twine, tape, scissors, and nature findings from outside. Now that we have all of our supplies gathered, we are ready to start nature weaving. Follow along. Step 1. Take your cardboard and cut it in half. Step 2. You're going to cut slits on opposite sides of each cardboard piece. Step 3. Next, you're going to take your cardboard, scissors, tape, and twine. Get a very long piece of twine or string, and then cut it, and then cut it in half. Step 4, you're going to take your roll of tape and cut a small piece of tape for yourself. Step 5, you're going to tape down the end of the twine or string. Then you're going to pull that twine or string through the slit on the other side of the board. Then cinch it around, pull it through the slit, and then flip it back over to the tape side. Step 6. You're going to pull the twine to the opposite slit and then pull it through, flip it over, and pull it back. You're going to continue to repeat those steps, going forward and backward on both sides of the cardboard till you're at the end. Step 7, you're going to cut another small piece of tape, tape down the other end of the string or twine, cut off the excess. Then your board will be complete. Step 8, you're going to repeat steps 4 through 7, taping down your string and looping it around the board through the slits all the way to the end and taping down the very end of it and cutting off the excess string. Step 9, we're going to take our nature findings and start weaving. We'll take one piece of nature findings and then we'll loop it through the twine, going over and under, and then pushing it down to the end. Step 10, take a second piece of nature finding. You're going to weave it going the opposite way of the other nature finding, this time going over and under, over and under. Step 11, you'll take your third piece of nature finding and you're going to weave through your twine, this time going over and under, over and under. Step 12, you'll take your fourth piece of nature finding, and this time you'll go under and over, under and over. You're going to keep repeating these steps all the way to the top of the cardboard, rotating opposite levels of over and under, and then under and over, under and over. Step 13. You will repeat your previous weaving steps on your second board. And then you'll be done. And you can use these as pretty decoratives around your house.
Now we know how to nature weave. Tune in tomorrow, and remember to take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, and take care of your plants. Bye for now.